Pumpkin, Mommy loves you. You look so sleepy. You sleeping in the morning? Taking a nap? You tired? Can you see where's the baby? Where's the baby? You're gonna have to be really nice to the baby. Give kisses and be really nice, okay? Yeah, the baby. Okay, where's the kitty cat? Where's the kitty cat? Don't worry, she's not bugging you now. You're so cute. I love you. Love you. Love your eyebrows. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. You look so sleepy. Your eyes are red. So sleepy. Good night. Good night.